enjoy both, but the experience of theater is, for me, it's complete.
Yeah, it's complete.
Kasi parang you rehearse the script eh. When you rehearse kasi, it's already a workshop.
Okay.
Of paano yung madidiscover mo dun sa material.
Yeah.
What can you get from your director? What can you get
From the
from the
audience.
audience and from your co-actor?
Yeah.
So, when you get to perform it, it's almost perfect.
Okay.
Tapos, we have a rule in theater kasi we always perform it. For example, on a weekend basis, 4 times every weekend. You have to keep it fresh. Even if it's automatically na parang pare-pareho, you have to keep it fresh. When you keep it fresh, you discover new things in your character. By the end of the show, if it's the 15th or the 16th show, yun pa lang yung, this is the show, the perfect show.
So it always evolves. Every show is a different show. Kumbaga.
Which is,
nice.
Sa movie kasi parang you don't know eh. Kaya kapain mo pa eh. Kasi cut-to-cut basis yan eh. Diba? Sa edit mo pala makita, yun pala yung nangyari.
Sa totoo, ang dami mo talaga matututunan sa stage.
Ganda,
sa theater. Like the discipline. So, it's a really good experience.
We'll watch your next